Gather your materials and follow along to create this sweet costume. To create your own, you need 2 clear trash bags, colored balloons, red ribbon, scissors, a Jelly Belly logo, and nutritional facts printed on sticker paper. Start by blowing up several colored balloons. Trim the logo and nutrition facts and place 1 on each bag. Fill the bags about 3/4 of the way full. Take the ends of each side and tie some ribbon around it. Tie the other end of the ribbon to the other bag. This will secure the costume at the shoulders. Pair with a solid colored shirt and the same colored bottoms. You can also add some striped socks to add extra flair to the costume. Thanks for watching and make sure to like and subscribe.